Sobrang sulit at napakaganda talaga ng ating Astrid model dito lang sa Newville Townhomes. Hi kakabsat, Dayan Soriano here, your real estate mom, and here's the 5 reasons why you should consider Newville Townhomes. First, location. Newville Townhomes is located in Barangay Sanja Mayortan sa Cavite. Along the highway lang siya, kaya napaka-accessible nito pa Metro Manila. May sakayan ka kaagad at malapit pa ito sa mga kilalang establishments. Pangalawa, complete finish na ang turnover. May tiles and partition ka na, may pintura pa yung loob at labas ng bahay mo. Literal na ikaw at gamit mo na lang ang kulang. May 3 bedrooms ka na, 2 toilet and bath with parking pa at pocket garden. Third, you are in an exclusive subdivision. Nasa loob ka ng isang exclusive subdivision na may complete modern amenities at matibay pa ang pagkakagawa. Safe and secure ang community na may swimming pool, basketball court at air-conditioned pa ang clubhouse. Pang-apat, flexibility. Hindi lang sa bahay, pati yung ating payment terms. You can utilize any room for different purpose. Pwede mo muna siyang gawing office, playroom, or family room. At flexible pa ang down payment natin dahil naka-promo pa ito ng 10% down payment for an installment basis pa. And lastly, Newville Townhomes has a lot of financing options. Available kasi siya through bank financing, Pag-ibig financing, and even in-house financing. Kaya you have so many options to avail Astrid model na swak sa ating budget. So wag na nating patagalin pa. Tripping na tayo. Contact me on my phone number, Viber, WhatsApp, or leave me a message on my social media account. But don't forget to like and subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga video. See you soon kakabsat! Salamat!